This is Randy Hubbard coming to you from Louisville, Kentucky. Today we have a car on Facebook Marketplace, and it's in Bradford, Ohio. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and let's check this car out. But before we check it out, if you're interested in it, see a scan bar. You can click there. You can go into information on my description, or you can see it running across this little ticker going across the bottom there. There you go. See where it says Facebook share? And you can contact them through there. So there's several ways of contacting these people on this car, but let's take a look at it. Nice looking old car. It's a 40-something O's. The guy says he's got the two fenders and the hood to go along with it, and radiator core, or the radiator supports, I think, and stuff. So you got some of that stuff up around front. But anyway, check it out. If you're interested in it, like I said, hit them links right there. There's no way you could pass up a deal like this. This is a $1,000 car that's well worth what you're getting for. What you're going to get your money's worth out of this one. I guarantee you that. 2 doors alone is worth $1,000. I mean, this car is a nice car. Them windshields right there, I believe it's got a flat windshield. I'm pretty sure. I've had a few old cars about like that. That's a flat glass. If you don't have the glass, you can have that glass cut. No problem there, you know. This is a nice old car. Easy fixer-upper. Easy to make a rat ride, street ride, whatever you want to do with it. If you're interested in it, copy that link there click that link with your camera, or like I said, get it out of the description. Either way, it's $1,000 for this car. Please like and subscribe. God bless you. See you on the next video.